I can't wait till I get you on the floor, good looking.
Hey loves, my name is Winnie Jean. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? In today's video, I'm showing you guys how I got this really voluminous, sexy, grown bob. I've been itching to cut my hair and I'm not gonna do it because I really want to see if I can make it to waist length, but I still want to get that like blunt cut, hard layers. It gives grown, it gives she doesn't come to play, it gives I whip other people's kids, and it just is what it is. If you want to fight about it, we can do that. I love this hairstyle and it was relatively easy to achieve, so if you want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Today's video is sponsored by HairVivi. They sent me over this Yaki textured bob wig. It comes with like a little bend in it, but we're about to style her. I'm so excited. But it's a 13 by 6 HD frontal. I love this color because it matches my skin tone perfectly. So I got the lace color in Cappuccino. It's the HD lace. And look at this cap construction. It has the non-slip adjustable band, comb in the back, combs behind the frontal on the sides, and she comes pre-plucked to perfection with the knots bleached, so I'm excited. They also sent me a couple of clips and a cute little edge brush. Can never have enough clips or edge brushes, honey. They also sent me these True-Scalp tapes that we're gonna use to get a really natural install without having to do a bald cap method. I got the color Cappuccino and it matches my complexion perfectly. They have a few other colors, so you have some options depending on your complexion, but I love the color Cappuccino for the lace and the True-Scalp tapes. But I'm gonna show you guys how I use this in a little bit. For now, let's go ahead and try the wig on and see how it's sitting because I'm tired of giving egg, okay? It's a cute egg. The egg is serving, but no, I'm over it. Before I pop her on, I'm gonna go ahead and trim out these clips that are behind the frontal. I'm only gonna leave the clip that's in the back because I tend to wear my wigs for a couple of days, so I like to have a little bit less tension on my hair. So I'm taking a couple of those clips out. I'm gonna leave the one in the back because you don't want your wig like hanging up, so I leave that one in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this adjustable strap and let's see what she's giving. Okay, so I have the wig fitted pretty well behind my ears, but I normally wear my side part on this side. So yeah, I can't do it. I have to go ahead and switch my parts. I'm gonna switch my part over to this side and hot comb it into place. Because I switched my part from one side to the other, it's a lot of extra volume going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and just press it out a little bit. I like a little of the volume, but I just don't want it to give helmet. So I'm not using any product, I'm just pressing it out a little bit. Okay, this is where I want my part. It's giving like curved part, V cute. And to be honest, the lace and the bleaching of the knots is so fire. Like, it's already looking good. But let's take it to the next level with the True-Scalp tape. So in order to do that, I don't want to take her off. She's coming together. But okay. Let's go ahead and put the little True-Scalp tape on. So this is a tape. It kind of comes individually wrapped. Let's go ahead and pop her open like so. So I've already parted the hair, so you can kind of see a faint line of what a part is. It may be easier to see in person. I can see it, girl. So I'm going to apply this tape right under that part, but the key is that you don't want to apply it to the front of the lace. You want to apply it a little bit further back. So I'm just laying the tape on top of the lace, seeing exactly where I want to cut it because it's a little too long. So I'm going to cut about an inch off, and let me show y'all my desk so y'all can see what I'm doing. Don't judge me. Okay, so my part is over in this area, so I'm just going to peel the tape, and I'm gonna start it about an inch behind the hairline. And I'm just kind of rubbing it in to make sure that it's nice and secure on the lace. And then with my blow dryer on high, I'm gonna just kind of heat it up a little bit. And this is like a little tip that I like to use because for some reason, it just kind of melts everything together. Okay, so this is what the part looks like with the True-Scalp tape in it. It just looks so nice and smooth. It kind of fills in the grid as well to give it that like smoother scalp-like appearance, which is top tier. I'm here for it. So now we need to go ahead and lay the lace down. I like to pluck out a little bit of hair right here in the center just because I kind of have a low hairline. A higher hairline. I don't know what kind of hairline, but my installs just look a little bit better when I kind of round out that middle area a little bit. I think because my hairline comes down so far, it'll give me like a fade type of vibe with the hairline, and I just like prefer a little more of a rounder look. So now that we have the hairline how we want her, I'm gonna go in with my scissors and cut in like a jagged line, because I like to cut my lace before I melt them. It just looks better to me on me. So let's go ahead and clip this hair back and then trim this lace. I'm gonna go ahead and use my black Eben Lace Bond Supreme spray. I've been using this forever, and girl, the name too long. The black Eben spray. I'm gonna go in with this, and I'm gonna spray it under the lace on the sides and on top in the middle. I'm not really gonna be wearing this wig for that long, so I'm not gonna do the whole like glue under, glue on top melting thing. I'm gonna try to do this as easily as possible while having it still last. So let's get into it. I hate when I get random hair stuck under my wig when I'm laying it down. That will drive me, okay? That will send me. It drives me insane. Okay, so the install is done. We got the baby hair done. The wig is laid, if I do say so myself. Now all I need to do is just kind of refresh the style. So I'm gonna go ahead and part off the bottom of the hair, and we're just gonna tighten up these curls a little bit. I don't really want the curls to be tighter, just a little bit fresher, because I have literally installed this wig fresh out of the box. I took it out of the box prior to filming, but that's about it. She has not been washed or curled or anything like that, so. All right. This is the finished look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. I'm loving the volume. It's giving very Keke Palmer, honey. It's giving getting to it, okay? I love that. I love the drama that Keke's been having with her hair lately. It's very like big with the big layers, very juicy. We had to try it. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. Thank you again to HairVivi for working with me. All of the information about this wig will be down below in the description bar per usual, as well as any coupon codes that I have, so use them or lose them, honey. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, babes.
You can run, but you can't.